In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix total conflict, resistance, audio, or sound not working. So we have a few solutions for you. Let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution, we are going to suggest you to just restart your game. So if that doesn't work, go ahead and go to the second solution, which is to run the game as administrator. Once you've done that, we could go ahead and go to our third solution, which is to verify file integrity. So to do this, just open up your Steam account and just right click on the game and just go to properties. Here in properties, just go to local files and just click on verify integrity of game files. So once I've done this and it still doesn't work, let's go ahead and go to our next solution, which is to check audio output device. So to do this, just go to your speaker icon here and just ensure that you're using the correct device. So for example, you're using your headset, make sure your headset's selected. But if you're using a speaker, make sure your speaker is selected. Our next solution is to check audio mixer. So here in the speaker icon again, just right click on it and go to open volume mixer. You'll be able to see a section for your game here. Just ensure that your game is not muted and your volume is raised to a certain level where you can actually hear the game. Our final and last solution is to update the audio device. So to do this, just go to your Windows search and just type in device manager. Go ahead and open this. Minimize this section here and go to sound, video, and game controllers. Just right click the device that you want to update and go to update driver. Here, select the search automatically for drivers since this will automatically search online for updates on your device and install it for you. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.